Hello and welcome to this tutorial on a brief JavaScript overview. Because we are learning the JavaScript programming language and we hope to build complex web applications using JavaScript, hence the question, what is JavaScript? JavaScript is a high-level programming language that supports multiple different approaches or style of programming and is object-oriented. That might be a load. Let's break it down keyword by keyword. By high-level programming language, we mean that JavaScript is designed to be easily understood by humans and it has syntax and structures that closely resembles natural language. By object-oriented, we mean that JavaScript is based on objects for storing most kind of data. Because in JavaScript, objects are a fundamental data structure used to store and organize data. JavaScript belongs to one of the three core web technologies which include HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. While HTML is used to render the content of a page or a web application, CSS is used for style or presentation, while JavaScript is used for interactivity. Let's use a house analogy to explain the role these three core web technologies play in our everyday web applications. In a house analogy, HTML can be seen as the structure of this building, the foundation, the bricks that are laid on top of each other, the rods and pillars that are casted. CSS in our everyday web application plays the role of style or presentation. Now, the presentation of this house, the style to which this house was built with, that modern look and feel, that design that was given to the house, that's the CSS in the house. Now, JavaScript in our everyday web application plays the role of interactivity. Let's go back to our house analogy. The doors that people get in and out of the house from, the windows that will open to get air in and out of the house, the switches that will flip on and on. Literally every medium through which we interact with the house we live in. That is the JavaScript. Let's also take it down to a human analogy. HTML in a human analogy could be the skeletal part of the human being. CSS in a human analogy could be seen as the body, the body shape, the body look, the skin type, skin tone, the face, beauty, literally everything that makes this human being stand out. While JavaScript in a human analogy is more of behavioral, how the human being moves, how they react, the way this human being interacts with everything around it, the way they move, the way they talk, the way they behave, and every activity they do on a daily. JavaScript makes it possible for us to build complex dynamic web applications that shows different content for different users or gets real-time data on a fly. Websites that are built with only HTML and CSS are mostly static websites. An example of a static website is a portfolio website where a person or a business uploads information that they want every user of that website or every visitor of that website to see. But with JavaScript, we can build dynamic web applications that shows different content for different users depending on the user action at every point in time. And the user actions might include search, clicks, hover, and the rest of the things we do on our everyday website. Right here, we say that JavaScript is used to add interactivity and dynamic behavior, allowing elements on a page to respond to user action like clicks, hovers, and form submissions, creating features like animations, drop-down menus, real-time updates without needing to reload the entire page. JavaScript is what makes our website act or look alive if you ask me. This brief overview was meant to give a general knowledge of the JavaScript programming language and a hint at what it is used for on our daily lives. Hopefully, it was able to do that. As we advance through the course, you will get a deeper understanding of everything there is to JavaScript. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I will see you on the next one.